Okay, let's start with sequences. We started with sequences. What I want you to do first is I want you to determine the convergence of A sub n, convergence or divergence equals n to the fourth minus 2n all over 1 minus n to the fourth. They're going to get more difficult. I'm going to start off easy, and then they'll get more difficult as we go along, okay?
Okay, and this is a sequence?
Yes, ma'am. The way you know it's a sequence is because you have what?
A sub n?
Yeah, there's no summation. It's just A sub n.
Okay. So when it's a sequence, I can basically just find the limit, right?
Immediately what you should say to yourself is, okay, this is a sequence. I take the limit, and I get a number, it converges. If it gets infinity, it diverges.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
So, all right, so go ahead and take the limit.
And then here, since it's like n to the 4 over n to the 4th, can I just do 1 over -1?
You can, I think that the professor would want you to show a little work. Either do, first you got to write down equals infinity over infinity. Write down the letters I and D to show that you know it's an indeterminate form. Right? Because when you plug in the first step for a limit, whatever the limit is for you to plug in.
Mm-hmm.
After you plug in, you get that. Then you can either do L'Hopital's rule, or you can factor out the highest power. On these polynomials like that, I recommend factoring out. It's a lot quicker. Because sometimes you got to do L'Hopital's rule like that. Okay.
So if you do the limit.
Factor out the highest power for that top and bottom, and then cancel.
That will go to 0. That will go to 0.
Very good. Okay, so because we got a finite number, what do we write? Therefore,
by the or is it by the divergence test?
No. Okay, so slow down. We're doing sequences. Okay, so for sequences, because there's no summation sign up top, right? You don't see that sigma.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Because that's not there. All you do is you take the limit, and if you get an answer that's a number that's not infinity or negative infinity, just write down convergence. Okay, and you don't have to write the test or anything. That's if there's a summation you write by a certain test.
So, like for sequences, we don't have to say about a certain test?
Just write equals -1, therefore converges. Okay, good. Ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.